This is Jasmine Cook from choir. I mean, she go to Douglas. She's in a choir. This is a little something what she can do. We'll upgrade you. Yeah. Introduce yourself. Hold on. Didn't I just do that? Or just say your name.
Oh my God. I hear you beat the block, but I like to keep the streets though. Know the shooter type that like to keep them on the leash though. I'm known to walk along, but I'm alone. Why is you?
Cause you so low, I can't hear you. She gonna do it though, hold on.
You can't hear, but the camera can, so.
No, not
Let
really.
me see it real big.
Wait a minute, no, I can't. No, you ready?
Play it. I hear you beat the block, but I like to keep the streets though. Know the shooter type that like to keep them on the leash though. I'm known to walk along, but I'm alone for a reason. Then you drink and you believe me. Don't doubt yourself. Trust me, you need me.
Come on.
She needs to stop fucking man.
Let me see.
You like a fat. Okay. Serious face.
I
All
really
right.
want to see. Can I see?
When the spirit. Say.
Did you record it?
No.
You want to record it?
I